Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to report weather in Pokémon Go. To report weather in Pokémon Go, open up the Pokémon Go application on your mobile device and log into your account. From the home page of Pokémon Go, tap on the cloud icon at the top right corner. This will open up the Weather tab. Go ahead and tap on the exclamatory icon at the top right inside Weather, and then you can go ahead and report the weather issue. If the weather is not accurate, then you can go ahead and tap on one of these options over here. Choose whether the weather is not accurate at all or the weather seems accurate just not up to date. Choose any one option according to your situation out there and tap on Submit. Soon after you do that, you will be able to submit the weather report. Reporting weather helps improve game accuracy and community data. Make sure to only report real-time weather condition at your location. So that's how you can easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.